Hi, welcome to Rita's Kitchen. Today we're going to be doing something fast, easy, simple, and healthy. That'll be Parmesan baked crispy chicken breast. But first thing first in Rita's Kitchen, what must you do? Wash your hands. Alright, I'm back. My hands are clean. Let's get started on this delicious, delectable dish. First thing you need for this dish, you're going to need your chicken breast. We went with a boneless chicken breast. What I have here is chicken breast cut in half, so they cut into nice strips. So first thing you want to do, you want to go ahead and season them evenly. I'm using Lori's seasoning salt. And it don't take a lot. Then I'm going to use a little garlic powder. Then what makes it Parmesan baked is the actual grated Parmesan cheese. I'm going to season the chicken with the Parmesan cheese. And you can use as much as this that you want to use. Totally up to you. Now, a lot of people before doing this will actually take and dip their chicken in egg, then put your breadcrumbs and stuff on that. I don't like that way. It makes your food really heavy. I like for my chicken or my meats to be very light in taste. So now what I'm going to do is actually flip my chicken over. I'll wipe my containers off when I'm done. Follow the same steps. Just a light seasoning. And your Parmesan. You know, you never get too much cheese. Okay. I'll just pat it in a bit. So now this plate here, this is our Italian breadcrumbs. This is what we're breading the chicken with. So you're gonna go ahead, take your pan, spray it down with a non-stick spray. Then you're gonna take your chicken and roll it, just like you would flour it. Dust it off, lie it on your pan. And just evenly coat it all the way through. Nicely evenly coated. And that's that. Okay, now that our chicken is evenly coated, now what you want to do to make sure that it comes to that crispy that you're looking for, you want to actually put some type of fat over the top of the chicken for the breadcrumb can cook really good. So I'm going with a little bit of EVO, extra virgin olive oil. You guys can do butter or whatever you want to do, EVO. So you just want to just sprinkle it across, and it don't take much. And this is going to help get that fry type of taste on it. And what I like to do is just pat it in over my chicken so it can cook nicely. And that's what we're looking for. And now it's time to go ahead and put it in your preheated oven. Put your oven on 350 and allow your chicken to cook for 25 to 27 minutes. It don't take chicken breast long at all. Crispy Parmesan baked chicken breast. Voila. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually break a piece in half so you guys can see how nice and juicy this chicken is. Look at that. And that's what I look for. So now I'm going to go ahead and build me a plate, and I'm actually going to lay my chicken breast on top of a bed of linguine pasta. You guys could do rice or whatever you may want to do. Be back with the final plate up.